Hi guys and girls, David Cummings here. I'm so excited to have you here. This is wealthychange.com and it's our YouTube feed. If you have any questions, make sure you put them down in the comment section and we'll get to them as soon as we can. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so you don't miss anything, and sure, if you like the content, please hit the like button. This is all about a wealthy change, easy steps to financial independence, and we go through many things, if I could say that word enough. We're going to share great content, we're going to interview people, we're going to just meet people who have been through these situations before so that you can get the same experience. It's essentially you meeting the experts. We're going to work together. Easy steps to financial independence, that's our motto, and we're going to be showing you exactly how we do it and how you can do it too. If you can't guess, my accent is Australian and I live in the East Coast at the Gold Coast. It's a beautiful part of the world. As you can see, this is our website and we obviously want you to have a look through each tab. We're going to start here on the Start Here tab, where it shows you a step-by-step process of what you should really be doing. We want you to answer a few questions at first. The who, what, where, why, and when. Then it goes through and says how you should look at this website overall. Start here, we look at mindset matters, the real action plan. We want to show you how you can smash debt. Then we go through the stealth savings system. Now that's very important, and I looked at that a little while ago and I was blown away with this system. Hence I'm putting it up for everyone else to have a look at. What about my job? Do you have to leave your job? Absolutely not. It's one of those things where we think if you want to go slow and enjoy your job and make some extra money along the side, like a side hustle, then that's fine. That's what this site is all about. But if you want to fast track things and move forward, then you don't have to worry. You can do so. This is what this site is all about. Fast tracking or taking it one step at a time. It's up to you, 100%. Now, we also go through the tab of Make Money like this. Here we go. You can make serious steady savings. There's online and internet money, there's shares and crypto, there's real estate success, and the business secret. It's really up to you how fast or slow you want to go, as we mentioned before. So make sure you check out each one of these and we'll move through. And if you could follow someone else who has blazed the trail before you, it's going to be so much easier. You just follow their footsteps, follow their method, don't try and reinvent the wheel. Each of these has so much in it. But once again, you've got to feel comfortable with starting at step 1 first. Alright, now where to? Training and products. This is where we want you to go through and have a look at some more YouTube and podcasts that we save back on our website. And these are the most important ones, I suppose, if you could use that, directly related to the site itself. Now there's tons of information on our YouTube channel, but this is where we've saved stuff back relating directly to our Wealthy Change website, if that makes sense. The events tab, there's lots of events going to be happening over time. You just need to select one that really suits you. We've got a weekly podcast and a weekly YouTube that you should be watching every time as well to keep up with information, because it's great content. The blog is where we share great information and up-to-date news. Make sure you keep an eye on that because it shows what's happening in the world of wealthy change. The easy steps keep coming and they're laid out here. If we've got a great article, we would put it in there. The next one across is the WC community, the Wealthy Change community. Make sure you keep abreast of what's happening there. Now, when we get a chance, we'll update our Facebook a little bit more and keep an eye on that and our other channels. Anyway, this is basically us. Make sure you check out the Contact Us page. As mentioned before, if you haven't already, go through to our welcome page on the first tab and subscribe. That way you're always kept up to date with what's happening on our whole journey. And we want to be able to work through these with you. So if you haven't already, fill in the form and get notified of anything that we do new. Make sure you go back to the Start Here page and start your journey. Now, a Wealthy Change, by the way, starts today. Make sure you start with step 1 and start your journey today. We look forward to so much more coming, and we'll catch you on the next exciting YouTube video. Till then, thanks very much, and we look forward to working with you. I'm David Cummings. See you later.